Welcome to another video on my fischertechnik hydraulic set with 3 pistons on this side manually operated and 2 pistons on the other side operated by a power motor with a screw pump, 2 switches and a rubber interface which is by USB connected to a laptop running Fedora Linux. Last time I have set most of the speeds of the motors to maximum, which works out nicely. And this time I want to add a little feature to the manually operated part, so that I can choose to either use all 3 or just 2 of them. Apart from that, some more testing, a code change, etc. So let's see how everything works out. Okay, so the second part is the screencast, and as you can see, a slightly lower view of the camera, which is then of course not the same camera, but it is a fischertechnik camera. Next to it the Python code, and center below is the terminal where I can run the coder. And you can see that that just works out. So I was talking about securing that one of the manually operated pistons could be blocked. I will do that in a way as this one can be blocked, but I'll have to put some parts, so I will choose this one. This one is not to be blocked. This is a different kind of piston, or actually the same kind, but on top here is a different part, so I can't do that there. And yet another part, but I see that that is a little bit complicated. Alright, this is better. And now the same grey stuff. And let's see how this will work out. Okay, this works better. And it won't work. Not like this. Because let's see, yeah, it will work out. Okay, so I'll have to move the camera a bit. That is better. And so let me just push this one entirely down and block. So this is unblocked, this is blocked. Then completely pull this out and push in. And now you can see that blocking this makes this one stay there, and this one goes out entirely. Now of course there's water in the hoses, but this is a nice result anyway. And of course I can block this one and use this one as well. So it works both ways. But that's a nice thing. So Now for the speed of the motors. Right, then, as I said, speed. This gives in Dutch the lower switch, this one, upper switch, which is of course this one, and this is maximum speed, but here it's not maximum speed yet, so maximum speed by now. Then this motor 1, which is this one, the other motor with the rubber band, which is that one right here. The question is, should I put this to maximum speed as well? It's a very different motor, not only in the sense that this one has no cap and has the wires soldered, but this one has a red cap and it is sold by Fischertechnik, where this motor is not sold by Fischertechnik. So this motor with the cap is different in ratio, therefore runs much faster, so I'll leave it at that. This output is going via the same way like this, but it's for the lamp, and the lamp functions nicely, and I mean this lamp here. So let me put it like that, save and run. Let's see whatever happens. Let me put the camera like this so you can see that motor as well, although it's not, well, you can see how fast it will run. And there the rubber band goes. And now turning attention to this one, because here is quite a lot of air, and other than fluid, air can be compressed. So now you will see it, and I have to move the camera a bit. It's being compressed. Here is air as well, which I do not like at all, but like I said, I suspect that this is not airtight, because when I last filled it there was hardly any air in it, and now there's quite a lot of air in it. So and what doesn't help is that the hoses are coming off, letting air in. So I think this works out. And of course this is much better to watch than this at speed 1, which is terrifying slow. Then let me block this one, or better like this. This works nicely, as does this. So yeah, it's a nice addition. A very nice addition. there anything more to improve or add? Who knows? And more ideas are there, because I have 3 more large pistons left. I also have a very small piston, but what do you do with one small piston? Anyway, this one is mounted by now, and this opens opportunities for more experiments. So stay tuned for that. And with these results, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, which is very much appreciated. You can show support by making a donation via either PayPal or IBAN. You can also become a patron. And for more information about that, see my Patreon page, which is listed on my website, which is listed under my video. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. For now, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a safe day. Bye.